How to disable limit maximum volume on iPhone. So if your iPhone maximum volume on media, songs, or movie is set to maybe 20%, or the volume is kind of below the minimum, and I want to increase it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off or disable limit maximum volume on iPhone, all you just need to go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, on the settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to sounds and haptics, and then click on that. Now, once you select sounds and haptics, scroll down the page, locate built-in speaker, and then click on volume limit. Now, once you selected volume limit, locate limit maximum volume and then disable it. Now, once you disable it, your iPhone maximum volume limit will be turned off. However, if you want to increase the maximum volume limit, just drag this slider up like this, and then to reduce it, just drag it down. But if you want to reset the maximum volume limit to default, just turn this off, turn it on again, then you should see it reset to default. So to disable it permanently, just toggle that off and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off or disable limit maximum volume on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.